こっちがいいのかな。Rain on my shoulder, cloud in my head, head over heels, nothing to fear, 'cause we had each other, fall through the weather, there were no other like this, the day you started, hiding it, sliding it, baby so evident, whoever are you, stuttering, but I'm not you still running it, we've never been like that, like that, yeah I know it's a shame, what a pity, you got nobody to blame, but you made.
I really hate that I can't zoom this thing out like while I'm recording. I don't want it to mess up like I just did. Because I can't see. I want to see them singing, like I can hear them, but I want to see them. I can only see Juria, and Chica right now. It's okay. It's okay. We're gonna go through it. They still sound good. Still sound good. Let's go.
Night after night, all the times, all the tries, I'm washing it all away because you left me in the rain, in the rain, in the rain, left me out in the cold with nobody to hold. Can't you see I'm my side, I'm my side, I'm my side? So let it rain, what else can I do? Ain't no sign of a light, no umbrella to hide, still I'm standing here right where you left me.
Absolutely freaking love Cocona's singing voice. Did you hear how she sounded? I wish I can run the bed. I can't right now because I can't. But Cocona's singing voice. Granted, she's sung before, but I don't know. This one right here, like when you have a deep voice like that and you're singing, sometimes they can go low. Sometimes they can go low. Personally, I don't like singing deep like that. I like it, but it's tough for me. But anyways, her voice fits so well with the song and the richness of her voice. Oh, I absolutely love it. Absolutely love Cocona's voice in the rain. What else was I gonna say? I was gonna say something else. I can't remember. Let's just go.
In the rain, in the rain, in the rain, in the rain, in the